Hey, good morning, science peeps. Just checking in to see how day 2 is going. Um, Pretty basic today. Just follow the steps over here, Wednesday, April 1st. No fooling, no fooling today. Um, Learning targets, couple of video links. Hopefully those work out for you. Talking about energy some more, and just basically easing into this whole thing with just doing some textbook work. Next week we'll probably fire up a gizmo and some other online activities, but let's just stay comfortable with our textbook for now. And remember, don't submit that assignment until you're finished with Friday's assignment. So there's an exit slip. See this little thing here that indicates at the end of your reading for today, like for today, you read page 122 to 124, answer the questions in your book, check your answers, and then do the exit slip. Tomorrow, read the text, do the questions, do the exit slip. Friday, same thing, and then submit your assignment, and that'll be your attendance for the week as well. All right, that's all I got for you today. Don't feel afraid to email, um, text, call, Google Chat, send me a message that's saying you want to chat, whatever. I'm here working on lessons, grading stuff. Um, no April Fools today. Okay.